Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I greet you all according to your time. It's me, your girl, your sister, Sweet Mother Gist TV. Una know say this channel, as it dey hot, na so I take dey bring am hot pepper soup. My people, another one don happen again. Oh, saga continue. Hey, if you don't know, itugwahia venegehe o itwe sasanobera itwe sasanobije wa happy Christmas ye itugwahia o wa iselogbe ogbe isena another one don land here. My people saga don dey continue again. If you don't know, wa game you pona ve like my baby nene social media. Ave mie na we mi kpo ma yejena saga wa la ya piri we social media there is fire on the mountain run remba we social media ove musa we social media we do me evi no we mare we dene na otimage a queen osawenizowegie. This video na 3-in-1 or even 4-in-1 sef. Na about osawenizowegie and Esther talk show. As I just dey waka pass it, na your jam this hot saga wey just dey load the shots, because I know say if Esther talk show come out for osawenizowegie, everywhere go nyaparata, una understand, everywhere go seke because na queen na fe come out now say e don red for Esther talk show, na e come out ona ham Esther nia we Esther talk show Esther when Esther arie e picture rien no rien video rien re o that omanari picture here a video re wetin here bring a video ni down. In short, here strike a YouTube channel already down where a channel near where the exist in a way. Vaveti energy. Imate where ma here we roll day ni and ma we you pona in PC. Na gbe ya ve relax. Me we a saga or asena or gelenyo. We go ta we a video na 3-1 no. On the matter with video now is about August osawenizowegie Esther talk show. The by Baba when they smell enogie the priceless event. We are a Philly is deep a Sarah T boss. My bad wait for you one of video. So I got so by you go. We are osawenizowegie or when ya Esther. Woman a picture in twere awewa haro that eve niana ya bowe we ma like we dokpa ye ma kpuru no sugbo we ye ma de like we atol ye ma de oni emi no concern we na wo ko va ve tiori vie dove naji nana mie we ona eku no pa eku edede ma ye we no saloba ha we ni ma love egbima ivie do ma hiva na mie we imari je akonya nya na gbima na ona de ma wo ivie do me ivie kwa vejena na. This is the season of love when ma love egbima, love your neighbor as yourself. Amewa ya bi a Jesus Christ yori mana no gima dia gbona na mie we iya wa social media we emere no ya me PC we na fire for fire we saga na ta o na we video na nive mo buwa ade owe osawenizowegie we ni a ona yubu na kunu ona you know ya kamini bu o if no ma ke no ta wa itale here that e cassava or da festa no ye no ipako we no ha e mota o owe was o mana ya rie the picture no rie ye nhu video ni o no rie picture e ma no dia ke no rie video ni no ya rie e pichi yen na eni meta kere na o wa nyanya wa me no timani ya gwan osawenizowegie wa nyanya wa mo osawenizowegie don provoke my people, no be small thing o. If you not see the action for that video, oh my god, e go even dey hungry una say wetin dey happen, wetin dey sup by people. So osawenizowegie wey Esther ona bolofwa Esther duma ho wa video na e picture ni avyo twere o because me we e YouTube your amazing na beauty na my we na na do most striking when dey picture on here Esther talk show. Another one wey dey inside this video na be Serati boss don come out now come tell the feelings deep, that is enogie, say the feelings no more deeping again. Now I say sure e don red o. Serati boss say enogie, he say the feeling not deep again, say you no just need that your feeling again because of say you don go use caro white take spoil your body, you don bleach, you don even bleach your destiny throway. Say e no get wetin dey use you take dey do again before. Say e be dey say feelings this, say now say feelings no deep again o. Now say omo e be like say the love e don dey secure. E don happen brother, e don happen. Water don pass garri, sister don run away o. E don happen. My people, so Serati boss come talk many things for inside that video. Be say ona we nilwe dovere vie dove wato ona we emi na re e feelings deep no ri here e cassava nia owo ye bleaching owo ya bleach muria odohie rainbow owo ye di eje e rainbow ya o ade e Serati bossy. I don't even bear this laugh for. Owo ye ni ye e color ya we enogie that u bleach na ye so na idoga black, so na doga red, so na doga fanta, so na ve doga orange color ijo ona idomo bowe na muladia menu ya bleach o bowe we ye ni ya we ni hworokpa owo ye ma blame we that okwoduri yo wa mam etigu egwo ni e blame we egbope averi ana na agun ro wa owe asan ya bole gbe oni Serati bossy ebe na we imopa ona ni we do guy with wa ivie vove owe bleaching ye me yo pe o bleach ya o yen to bien have bleach vogari ana owe emi po session pa e wa hena le lo okpe anome emi na rainbow cassava rainbow different color. Nogie wa hegbine for voka o. So may we see end Serati boss so for here. So another video wey be say I come still jam again for inside life. Nah, the video wey be say baba wey dey smell come still take this guangualize enogie is a priceless. Enogie don enter one chance. Why to me enogie me why to me ona ga igbe nogie iri ene nokpa iveri enogie oyive gbe overi ene nokpa oko enogie wo paru we mediana. God daughters have a gbenogie ona veri ne e baba we dey smile we gbenogie o veri Serati boss e gbenogie yo salobua no ge we ye nwa ya we e saga we na susu we gbe saga emi nu ara mievo na hin e baba we dey smile na do you know kan ya we enogie no ya bivieva owe wa ketipa uga deyeti because our it through the risha woman wa say ni bu enogie ukie gbine fo voha wa kegbona pa o like gbe no pa wa kegbe DJ no pa o like gbe DJ wisdom uke no pa o like gbe baba we dey smell Wa ke baba we dey smile pa la serati boss. Uke terati bossi pa. Uje avye man nogie ya wina. Nogie la wa la yukbe sagare. La yukbe ukbe because agaro we iju we no ivere na giant here ivero vie na. Egodota rovie we. Na mie we. Evina na we. Skin we na do bolo na do hien kole rambo. Rambo me dia koka fata and lemon. So my people, we go suffer do make we come dey end this video. And this saga wey dey this media so how we want to do this saga make e fit end? I'm not sure say nobody will fit end the saga of it because even though say na Christmas na New Year day na saga for everywhere. They no wan hear they no wan listen to anything at all. No be small thing as baba wey dey smile dey sagalize enogie, and enogie also come out this afternoon come still sagalize baba when e dey smile. And we no know how we wan take settle these two people. Baba wey dey smile with enogie, the priceless. That saga go too hot for ground I pray one day make dem find peace, my people. Make our social media presenters, make every one of us, make we live in peace. Make I live una here, my people. I love you all, guys. Bye bye. Love you all.